Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to show you that how can you install WhatsApp on your laptop. First of all, go to Microsoft Store and then search for WhatsApp if it's not available on here. After click on WhatsApp, it will say get option. So click on get. After a while, it will be installed in your laptop. Depends on your internet speed. Now as we see the WhatsApp is being downloaded, so we have to open it. After opening it, it will say welcome to WhatsApp. So we have to click on the get started button. After clicking on it, it will say scan the barcode or enter the phone number manually to attach your WhatsApp to the laptop. So now it depends on you which method you want to use, but both are very easy. In one method, you have to scan the barcode, and in another method, you have to put the number manually. Now put the phone number, which WhatsApp you want to link to your laptop. As we see, they give us a code. Now go to your WhatsApp, confirm, linking your device, and then put this code in your mobile WhatsApp app. So your WhatsApp of your phone will be automatically comes to the laptop. Like you can access to voice call, you have access to video call, even you have access to all of these. Expect uploading a status.